Automatic bulk counting and separation system. Our automatic bulk counting and separation system has updated since 2025. The reinforcing steel bulk counting system uses the machine vision for the identification, location, and image connection of reinforcing steel bars so as to count reinforcing steel bars. Taking into account the current situation of rolling mill production, we use the method of image identification available in the optical imaging computer for counting, namely, the optical method is used to form the end section images of the reinforcing steel bars in the production line, and then the computer is used for image identification. After that, the system connects to images for counting the reinforcing steel bars. The system mainly consists of three parts: a main cabinet integrated with control system, a camera cabinet, and the automatic steel bar separation device. The main cabinet adopts an IP50 for exterior design, which is lightweight and flexible. It is equipped with an 800W high-temperature resistant air conditioner and a built-in regulated power supply to ensure the stability of the equipment. Our system has exported to many countries and areas now. Our machinery has got approved by regular customers with the high counting accuracy. For AQS Steel, this is our second set of bulk counting and separation system for the RM1. We have finished the specific automation work with site team support at the same time. The system is more faster, high efficiency, intelligent, and durable after update. Our company has finished the installation and commissioning of the second automatic bulk counting and splitting system for AQS Steel in Algeria, and has taken group furloughs with that team.